Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. For those of you that are just joining us, welcome and thank you for subscribing. And those of you that are returning, thank you for continuously watching and supporting the channel. So moving forward with the green MR2, you guys last seen, we did have the kill mat installed. So we did do that. It was a two-part episode, so you guys should be have seen two episodes of me installing this. One was basically the firewall, and then the rest was the floorboard. So moving forward, we do have custom carpets, and these custom carpets were made from Coverdale or by Coverdale. This is a company out in the UK that have been doing this for quite some time. So I'm gonna give these carpets a shot because the carpets that I did have, they were good, but I want fresh stuff going into this build. So guys, let's just jump into it. I got a little special something for you guys at the end for this interior that you guys are gonna like a lot. So make sure you guys stay till the end and we'll go from there. Moving forward, these are the carpets that I have been talking about. So this is the custom, I guess, driver's side because it has the floor mat, and then right below it is the custom passenger side. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna throw these down here. We're gonna get the good old vacuum started and vacuum them to the best that we can because they have a whole bunch of felt from behind. And I mean, it's all fresh stuff, but it's just little lint all over the place. As you guys can see, this has it everywhere. This is even worse. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and vacuum all these. Then we're gonna start the install, guys. So let's go. Folks, now that we got these nice and cleaned, as you can see, this thing is looking fresh. Same thing with those pieces. Again, I am not quite sure. I think these are for the subwoofer little flaps. These, not sure. But we're going to start off with installing the passenger side. I'm going to say we're going to start with the passenger side, try to fit it in here, see how it fits. I'm super curious on how it fits, so hopefully it works well. But let's go in, guys. Let's go. Alright folks, check it out. We have the black custom carpet in. I kind of like what they did here, leaving this open just because it's easier to get to the bolts and get to the holes that you need to get to. The only thing that I'm going to have to do is cut the holes out for the back portion of this, which I kind of think that that's kind of dumb. They should have cut that out as well, but I guess they don't want to cut out this and that, but whatever. So we're going to go ahead and move forward. We're going to go ahead and try to mount up this firewall carpet to see how it fits and ties in with this passenger side one. It all looks a little loose right now. Believe me, it is all really just adjustable. Like I made those slits there, as you've seen. I made a slit there just for that little plastic clip to be placed in. So we're working at it, but I really want to see how this thing ties in to these carpets. So let's just jump into it, guys, and let's go. folks, I gotta show you guys how this thing came out. This thing came out phenomenal. As you guys seen in the last clip, I mean, it's nice, black, clean. It looks great on this MR2, and I just love how they leave this open. I don't know why I like it so much, but yeah, I'm digging that. It has a fresh bottom piece here. Like, I don't know what you guys want to call it, like a traction, I guess, traction mat. But guys, I think, in my opinion, for this carpet and for the cost of what it is, I think it's good. I think it's more than good. I think it fits perfectly. And all this like wavy stuff is because the carpet has been folded for so long. So it's a little, you know, just wrinkled, I guess. But with a little time of it just sitting out, it'll get all nice and flat. So I'm not worried about any of that stuff. That back firewall, same thing goes for that. And once we start pressing up all the parts and stuff like that, I think it'll start looking a lot nicer. So I'm really happy on how that looks. So moving forward, guys, I got a little something to show you guys. So let's just turn the camera around and I'll show you. All right, so I know you guys are probably like, what the hell does this guy have? You guys are probably guessing what it is. I don't know if you guys can guess it or not, but we are going to move these pieces from here to the front of the car. We're gonna grab these two pieces as well, and move them. And move them to the front of the car, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So, all right, folks, what I have here is some magnificent carbon fiber. This carbon fiber here was made by ABC Carbon. Big shout out to Alan Bryson at ABC Carbon for making these pieces for me. These were made from original. These are overlaid on original pieces. So, I mean, I love how this looks. This is going to go great with the new interiors, but these are the window bezels, so they go on each window. One window there, one window there, and then these go on the bottom half of those windows, so they go where the speakers usually go, which would be right down there, and then same thing goes for right that side. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and try to fit these in and see how these things work. Hopefully they fit well, and we'll go from there, guys. So let's go. All right, folks, you guys seen what I just did. I installed this carbon fiber, and this thing is looking great. As you guys can see, this is fitting amazing. And there's more where this came from, guys. So just so you know, this is looking so sexy, man. This is so badass. And a big shout out to Alan Bryson at ABC Carbon. These things look amazing, brother. I can't wait for the rest of the stuff. It's gonna look sweet. I still have this piece, that piece. I'm gonna install that piece. I got these pieces. Oh, there's just a lot of carbon fiber coming, guys. So let's jump into it and install the other side real quick. I'll probably put you guys on the camera here, and let's get this done. So let's go. Folks, you guys seen it here. I think I'm probably the first one actually to have the interior in hex carbon fiber like that. So I mean, I got a lot more to install. Like, this is just the beginning, guys, so make sure you stay tuned. this is going to be the conclusion to the episode, guys. We installed the carpets, we installed the rear firewall, and as you guys can see, these things came out pretty good. The rear firewall carpet, the passenger carpet, and the driver's side carpet, all custom by the custom carpets by Coverdale, along with the custom carpet from Coverdale as well. We have the ABC carbon. Ooh, look at how sexy that came out. And we have the other side as well. So a big shout out again to Alan Bryson at ABC Carbon. Your work is amazing, bro. Top notch. Nothing better than that. Too bad you weren't out here so you can do the rest of the car. But we got a lot more where that came from, guys. So again, stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Please, thank you. Please and thank you for supporting my channel. Remember, check out NastyAddictionGarage, LLC.com. Until next time, guys, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.